Facing global pressure, Pakistan is now seeking to normalize relations with India, saying it's willing to start over. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has issued a statement saying that the Imran Khan government has decided to send back their High Commissioner Sohail Mahmood to New Delhi in 2 days in a bid to restore peace with India.
हमने फैसला किया है कि जो हमारे हाई कमिश्नर हैं सोहेल महमूद साहब जो यहाँ आए हुए थे कंसल्टेशंस के लिए, हम उनको वापस दिल्ली लौटा दें और इंशाअल्लाह वो 2 रोज़ में दिल्ली वापस जाने का इरादा रखते हैं और ये कम्युनिकेट कर दिया गया है उनके फॉरेन ऑफिस को।
Thanking several nations for their appeal to de-escalate the situation, Qureshi said that Pakistan's resolve to fight terrorism is clear and that the Pakistani government wants peace. He went on to say that Pakistan is focusing on the Western Front where it wants to facilitate the peace process further.
The international community has seen our desire to de-escalate, and the 3 steps that we have unilaterally announced are a step towards de-escalation. The international community has seen Pakistan's resolve to fight terrorism and reverse extremism. So the message is loud and clear. Pakistan is a peaceful country. Pakistan wants regional stability and development. Pakistan is focused on the Western Front where we want to see peace in Afghanistan and we want to facilitate the peace process further, the reconciliation process further. The international community has seen our responsible behavior and is acknowledging it, appreciating it.
The United States Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, Qureshi said he also participated in helping in de-escalating the tensions. In fact, Qureshi went on to say that Pakistan is willing to restart the earlier process of DG military operations contacting each other every Tuesday.
Director General military operations थे दोनों तरफ, वो हर हफ्ते मंगल के रोज़ आपस में उनका कांटेक्ट होता था और तबादला ख्याल होता था। पाकिस्तान उस कांटेक्ट को, उस तबादला ख्याल को बहाल करने के लिए तैयार है। मैं यहाँ ख़ास तौर पर शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा सेक्रेटरी ऑफ स्टेट पॉम्पियो का। आज अमेरिका के जो उनके स्पोक्सपर्सन हैं उन्होंने भी बरमला कह दिया है, मैं इस पर खामोश रहा कि प्राइवेट डिप्लोमेसी एक होती है पब्लिक डिप्लोमेसी, एक होती है प्राइवेट डिप्लोमेसी। प्राइवेट डिप्लोमेसी को बरूए-कार लाते हुए अमेरिका ने बड़ा मुस्बत किरदार अदा किया है और दीगर ममालिक ने। उसमें मैं जिक्र करना चाहूँगा चीन का, मैं जिक्र करना चाहूँगा रूस का, मैं जिक्र करना चाहूँगा सऊदी अरब का, बहुत से दोस्तों का।
Joining me live from Islamabad is WION's Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik. Anas, good afternoon. Keeping in mind the recent tensions between India and Pakistan, how should we read Pakistan Foreign Minister Qureshi's statement given a short while ago?
Well, it can be read in 2 ways. Given the mounting international pressure on Pakistan from the international community to act against terror and to de-escalate the ongoing tensions between Pakistan and India, to de-escalate the ongoing hostility, and this can be taken as in continuation to that mounting pressure from the international community, particularly from the United States, Turkey, Saudi Arab, UAE, and Jordan as well, to mention a few countries. So Pakistani Foreign Minister, in continuation, that in an extension to that, saying that Pakistan has decided to send back its High Commissioner who was in Islamabad for consultations, who was called back to Islamabad for consultations after the Pulwama incident, and he said that Sohail Mahmood, the Pakistani High Commissioner, will be in Delhi in the next 2 days. In addition, the Pakistani Foreign Minister also said that the international community understood Pakistan's quest for peace and that they would want a long-term sustainable solution and long-term peace with its neighbor, that is India. Pakistani Foreign Minister also reiterated the commitment of the Pakistani government to the Kartarpur corridor and said that the Pakistani delegation will be visiting India for consultation on the Kartarpur corridor. Yes.
Right. Do you find it interesting also, Anas, that the mention of the focus on fighting terrorism on the Western Front was made by the Foreign Minister of Pakistan, keeping in mind, of course, the sort of tensions that have been seen by Pakistan on its Eastern Front of late?
Well, yes, the Pakistani Foreign Minister did maintain the fact that the role played by the United States particularly, and that he acknowledged what the U.S. Secretary of State has been saying as well. And by and large, the Pakistani Foreign Minister again has said that it was due to this mounting pressure that it was a safe space doing that Pakistani side opted for, and in an attempt to de-escalate these tensions as Pakistan claims. And now they're saying that it will be an extension to this act of Pakistan will be an extension to de-escalate the ongoing hostility between India and Pakistan. Yes.
Anas Malik, we'll leave it at that. Thanks very much for joining us.